Good morning, Ade. Oh, Ade, you're waking up from your hibernation. You've opened your door. The doors is not on the front anymore. You need to hurry up, Ade. It's time for phonics. Hello, children. Welcome to Fridge Phonics. And today we are going to be practicing our reading using the sound Now, that sound, do you remember that sound from another spelling of the sound Let me show you. Have a look here. Exactly, children. This is also using the e and the to form the digraph So we have two ways of spelling the same sound. One sound, two different spelling. That's interesting, isn't it? We just have to learn which one we need to use for different words. In today's lesson, we are going to use the and the to make And we are going to be practicing reading different words using our segmenting and blending. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm going to build a word, not going to say it, and you're going to use your segmenting and your blending to read it. Do you think you can? Let's have a go. Right. First word. Right. Okay. Right, that's the word, children. Now I'm going to segment it. Is that right? Is that how you segment that? What have I done wrong? That's right, children. We need to spot that digraph. Two letters together that make one sound. They need to stay together. There we are. Put them back together. I'm going to draw a line underneath it just to emphasize that. Now let's segment again. Earn. You're getting closer. I'm going to keep moving them closer. Don't say the word yet until they touch. Turn. Turn. The word is turn. Like when you turn around. Excellent reading, children. Well done. Right. Let's do another word. Okay. There we are. What do you think that says, children? Very similar to the other word, wasn't it? Very similar to turn, but something's changed. Let's segment correctly. Burn. 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 Excellent, children. Well done. Well done. Right, are you ready for the next one? Right, let's see. What do I need to do next, children? Of course, in my mind, I should segment. But I can use my magnetic letters and shift them apart. But when it's on a page, you just have to use your mind and your eyes to segment them and read. And you can do that by pointing to each letter like that. Okay? Oops. Getting closer. Touching. What's the word? Burp. Oh dear. Pardon me. Burp. Excellent, children. Right, you're doing very well. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, here's our word. Can you read that, children? Segmenting. Earl, Earl, Earl. Touching, what's the word? Curl, like the curls in hair. Curl. Excellent, well done. Good reading, good segmenting, and good blending, putting them back together to say the word curl. Well done. Right, the next one, children. It's a little bit longer. Let's move it along a bit. Okay. There we have the word. What do you think that says? Are you using your segmenting and blending skills? Have you worked it out already? Let's segment. Put those together because we spotted the digraph. Now children, this is quite a long word, so we can split it into syllables. Okay, let's see if I can split it. I'm going to split it along here. I could split it here, or I could split it there. I'm going to split it here. Okay, all together. Touch in. Tur, 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 tur. Oh, right, that's tur then. Let's do the next one. It's touching. Nip, nip. That's nip. Tur, nip. Tur, nip. Putting it together now to blend it back and form one word. And the word is, are you all together now, children? Turnip, turnip, turnip. Excellent segmenting. And excellent blending. Turnip. All together. Turnip. Excellent, children. Well done. Fantastic segmenting and blending. Now, children, what you've got to remember is that when there's words on a page, you won't be able to move them like we can with these magnetic letters. But you can, in your mind's eye, you can work it out. Now I'm going to write burn down here. Burn. See, I've spotted straight away that digraph. Do you see that? So I know that I need to sound it out together to make that digraph rather than and a r. Let's do another one. Read this. Here we go. What's the word? Excellent. Curl, curl, curl. Segmenting and blending it back. Children, I'd like you to practice that. Practice looking in books for words that have that sound in it, the sound. And then you can practice your other digraphs that you know. See if you can spot them in books and read those words. Fantastic. See you next time, children. Goodbye.